We made it to the campsite, but there's choppers up ahead. I think they're looking for Sasquatch. There he is! Oh my goodness, Sasquatch is here! Oh my gosh. So hey, Bubba, what do you think about our campsite?
Nice.
Yeah.
Not bad.
As the sounds of nature, we hear the yawns of the Sasquatch. As he rests in his habitat on this cool evening by the crackling flames there he is, the Sasquatch himself. Performing his Sasquatch moves as he starts to drift off into slumberland. But it's too early for that. Is it at least warm?
It's warm.
Alright, now put it on the coals. Put it on the coals.
Oh, just...
Put it directly on the coals. Wrap it... No. Wrap it back up.
Oh.
And then put it directly on those coals.
Yep.
There you go. That should help warm it up quicker now. My rice, peas, and seasonings. Of course, I had to bring my Italian seasoning, paprika, chipotle. Oh yeah. Brother Steven's got some tea, Arizona, mango flavor. All right. There you go. And he finally has his
linguiça patty.
I was going to say that. Alrighty. Does it have like a campfire taste to it? Slightly smoky flavor?
Cooked.
There you go. Oh my goodness. So my brother just experienced for the first time gobble gobble. So we were just over there by the picnic table and kind of finishing up eating and whatnot, and all of a sudden I heard the gobble gobble, and I pointed him out to Steve. Of course, me being the silly nature man that I am, I go off onto the street, and the one turkey there, he starts running up the street. Kind of crazy. And then as we're sitting down now, Steve just told me, gobble gobble. And I'm like, yep. Just like, oh wait, yes, just like the last time. And sure enough, right over there, the two turkeys, just like the last time, just gobbling away. Well, walking their way. So, first time turkey experience in the woods. He hears me. It's like about 5 or 6 of them, I think.
7 after that counted.
Maybe. I think they're planning their next reservation. I think they're planning their next reservation. I was telling Brother Steve about the howling with the coyotes, but I figured it would be a little bit later on. As you can see, the day is starting to break, and it is coffee time. Ooh. We'll just place that there for now. Oh, you just missed him. The Sasquatch. He went into his place of shelter. Yeah, we're definitely going down to the pond, and we're going to get a beautiful view of the sunrise over there. The sky is already looking so beautiful. Oh, I looked behind me. Oh, look at that. Sky is nice and pink. Oh, yes. Wow. That beautiful mist rolling on the pond. So beautiful. And here comes Sasquatch Stevie on this beautiful morning. No, it is not raining. What you're seeing is little drops from the bugs.
No.
Oh my gosh, the sky is absolutely amazing today. Wow. I think the crow agrees.
What's that white building?
So the white building up there, that's a bathhouse. So up there is where, let me point my finger, up that way is where the pavilion is at. So you can have a group event here for the day. Alright, as you can probably tell, I am in my car. The reason for that is it started to flood. We started getting downpours and it was flooding underneath my tent, and rain was coming in from one side where the stream was, the way the wind was driving it. So I just packed everything up, stuck it in the car, and I'll deal with the tent in the morning. Didn't realize I was going to be in a low spot where it was going to flood underneath. So, well, talk about an adventure. So it looks like we're sleeping in the car now. At least I know in here I'll be dry. And we've been having some lightning flashes too. So to add to the excitement. So not only am I in my car, but Steven decided he's going to get in his car too. So yeah, so we're both now, we're now officially car camping for the rest of the morning. And it's like 3 o'clock in the morning, so oh yeah. So this is the aftermath from the storm last night. And as you can see, it definitely was flooded from the ground sheet. So there was no way I could stay in the tent without the possibility of the rain waters flooding inside. So yeah. But overall, can't complain. And yes, it's definitely wet inside of there too. That's gonna be fun breaking down.